Hey, 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 good looking. You want to see what I have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right on into my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to do a spiced cranberry drink. And we're going to be rocking out in the new year with our cracks out. So grab a hold of that vine and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, Happy New Year, everybody. And to start off the new year right, I'm going to sit there and show you how to make a spiced cranberry drink. And we're going to be doing it in our crock pot. So that's right, we're going to be rocking out in the new year with our crocks out. So let's go ahead and let's get cooking. Good looking. Alright, let's go ahead, take the cover off of our crock pot. Now, I have 6 cups of water back here. I'm going to add that to the crock pot. And then we're going to sit there and add 1 bottle of cranberry juice. You can add anywheres from 3/4 of a cup all the way up to 1.5 cups of sugar, but I have 3/4 of a cup, well, a little bit under 3/4 of a cup. You're going to want 1 cup of orange juice. You're going to want anywheres from 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of these cinnamon candies, or some of you might know them as Red Hots. And then you're going to want at least 2 packages of these True Lemon. Now get out a spoon and let's give this all a good mix. Okay, now let's put our cover back on. We're going to come down here and we're going to put it on the low setting, and we're going to cook this for 2 to 3 hours. I'll see you then. Okay, it's been a few hours later. Let's go ahead, take our cover off. I'm going to sit there and give it another quick stir. And then I'm going to ladle some up into my cup. Oh, does it smell divine. Okay, let's get a ladle. I have my cute little snowman cup because we're having some wintertime goodness in our state. Right now we have some freezing rain, and then later on we're supposed to have some good snowfall. So let's go ahead and give it a little taste test. I mean, I know what it tastes like. I mean, I love it. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a hit with your family. Now, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? And Happy New Year!